Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix non-notification sound on Realme Narzo Power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration, and if you want to fix this problem, so turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library and click on settings app. Click on sound and vibration and you will see notification is here. If you want to fix this problem, so turn off notification. After turn off notification, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so reset accessibility and reset settings. Click on system and update, backup and reset phone, and click on reset network settings, enter phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so update your software. Click on settings app, click on system and update and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix no notification sound on Realme Narzo Power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.